ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹੀ ਖੇਲੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਵੀ ਪਰਾਂ ਬਹਿ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਮਾਮਾ।
Recording start.
ਵੇਟ bro।
Hello everyone, and welcome to the presentation of business writing and communication. So we had this project going on for the past few weeks, and we've been working on this presentation and given the presentation topic of ChatGPT that we have presented. And this is the final report of that presentation that we had, and included all the information and the findings that we had with that project. And coming to the evaluation, ChatGPT marketing enhancing strategy. So this is going to be our topic for the presentation now. And for that, we have evaluated few of our agendas that we have to include on this presentation. And those would be evaluating ChatGPT in marketing enhancing strategies, introduction, methodology, finding. We had a lot of findings when we are doing this research, and we had divided it into three parts. And so that would be part one, part two, and part three. And we have few of the recommendation that we suggest for the ChatGPT to involve their evolution, and to adapt that uh, recommendation that we had, and we're going to suggest few of the policies that they can have in the field, and that will make them more evaluated. And complementation plan and implementation plan, sorry, and conclusion that at the end, what we have been presenting, and the report of our conclusion and future considerations, what would that be, and few other references. Coming to the evaluating ChatGPT in marketing and enhancing strategies. So presentation is based upon these five categories that we have here. Is introduction, by introducing ChatGPT and what it does. We're going to include some of the topics, and how ChatGPT has evolved throughout the period of time, and how it has been evolving since then. So coming to the introduction, ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a platform and an AI that generates by having a multiple platforms that they get information from, and it briefly touches the capabilities and limitations, and it doesn't have any problem with dealing with different languages. And throughout the internet, it goes varies where you ask it them some questions, and how it helps them, how it's going to help the organization in marketing. AI could be a very good tool to give our responses to our customer service, and it's going to be a big platform for us to get the organizations to get the leads from, and have an human interaction without having an interaction like a human flaw. This would be a perfect AI propositions, and purpose of the evolution is that evolving through time keeps you away from the mm, uh, away from the distractions of the organizations, and away from uh, all of the things that affects while working with humans. So AI is going to adapt it in a completely perfect manner, and it's going to present it. So I think in marketing it would be really important. And about this topic, and to go thoroughly about it and more detailedly, our colleagues that we have right now in our teams is going to evaluate more and discuss more on that topic. And methodology. Yes.
So, methodology, method of evaluation. So basically, ChatGPT is a platform which tell us about like whatever we write or want to know the answer. It can satisfy the queries of the human beings, and it can also interact with the peoples. First, obviously, a human evaluations, judgmental evaluation. Human evaluation assess the quality of the response based on the predefined or criteria. Basically, if we have the older version of ChatGPT, it's basically give the all the news which is predefined. If we want to know the like get the knowledge from the like this new world, so definitely we have to update the chat gpt. So it is also user feedback. ChatGPT is also provide a user feedback, which is very like important for the other customer to know what we want in this for the topics, and also domain specific evaluation, evaluating the model performance with the specific domains or individual, ensuring it meets the requirement of the individual customer needs. And also the error analysis, it can also analysis like the errors in the hold like project. If we want something to search, they can also analysis the error. So there are also some scopes and limitations of this ChatGPT. Well, it can be conversion communication application. ChatGPT is well suited for the various conventional application, including the customer support, virtual assistant, and also interact with the user experience. So next one is the contact generation. It can generate the contact very efficiently and very fast. So this is also the scope of this chat gpt. And the informations it is multi-language. So basically it can be generate in any language. But there are some limitations of ChatGPT also, because sometimes the content it generate, it must be incorrect. So and also sometimes it can be harmful for the safety of the user. So the next one is finding one. So finding part one, it is called the key findings. Overall, 80% of the customers show satisfaction with the chat GPT interaction, and the customer engagement increased 20% of the implementation of the chat GPT. The last one is the chat GPT conversion leads to a 50% increase in a sales conversion rate. So next will be explained by Amit.
Yes. Uh, Let me talk about. Hi, my name is Amit Kumar. Previous slide, please. Finding part 3. Let me talk about finding part 3. And the findings. The impact of ChatGPT on marketing efficiency was significant. When it was introduced, it was a breakthrough in the market with improved automation and customer interaction. ChatGPT showed higher efficiency in customer engagement compared to previous marketing strategies. A lot of customers were attracted by it. The use of ChatGPT resulted in higher conversation arises and sales. ChatGPT is used by most of the peoples, many peoples, and these are the implications. The impact of ChatGPT on marketing efficiency was significant, which improved automation and customer interaction. ChatGPT showed higher efficiency in customer engagement compared to previous marketing strategies. They are almost same with the previous one. The use of ChatGPT resulted in higher conversion rates and sales. Next slide, please. Both are same overall finding and implications. Recommendations. This marketing team to understand and utilize ChatGPT for customer interaction and market research. We have to train marketing teams to understand this. Address and challenges faced in implementation, such as technical issues and content moderation. There are some challenges that were content moderation. Utilize user feedback to make interactive improvements in ChatGPT strategies and implementations. User feedback is researched and improvements are made in ChatGPT. Next slide will be explained by my colleague.
Thank you, Amit. And my name is Karan Singh, and I would like to represent the recommendation in this. And the first one is to train marketing teams to understand and utilize ChatGPT for customer interactions and some marketing research. It will helpful. And after that, the second part is to address the challenge faced in the implementation, such as technical issue and content moderation. And these are the things that are very helpful. When we know about the challenge, then we solve the thing very easily. And after that, the utilize user feedback to make interactive improvement in ChatGPT strategy and implementation. The feedback also very helpful for this, and they can do more work. And after that, the second part is the training timeline. And in this training timeline, in the first month, the There is basic ChatGPT training for marketing team, like provide the introductory training on ChatGPT capabilities and the functionalities, and this is very helpful. And then after in the second month, specialized training for customer support team, like these are also very helpful. And the training to focus on the customer support service and their queries. And after that, introduce guideline for using ChatGPT in customer interaction, and this ensure a positive customer experience. And in the throughout the implementation period, there is a continuous refresher training and skill enhancement, like schedule periodic refresh course to both keep marketing and customer support team update on any new feature and improvement. This also very helpful. And after that, the upcoming challenge, how to overcome the upcoming challenge in this. And the first one is in this is a stabilize a dedicated IT support channel, and in this create a channel role help desk for IT support related to ChatGPT. So after that, they can get a quick response if they face any difficulty in this. And apart from that, there are some few things also, like provide backup system for manual inventions, and regular monitoring and support for early adopters, and explanation and communication. These all are the things that are very helpful for this. So next slide is represented by my colleague Geeta.
Thank you, Karan. Hi, everyone. My name is Geeta, and now I will cover the conclusion. ChatGPT has proven it can really help make marketing strategies better, and it makes a big difference in how much customers get involved. The results show that ChatGPT is really helpful in marketing and emphasize how it can be a flexible tool to help business grow. Using ChatGPT in marketing looks promising and deserves more attention for future strategies. Next slide, please. Coming to the future of ChatGPT in marketing, AI is getting better for marketing, doing things like making personalized messages and creating content. In the future, we might see strategies using ChatGPT where customer interactions and sales are fully automated. As AI keeps improving, ChatGPT could become a really important part of marketing plans, bringing special abilities and helpful insights. Companies might start using AI like ChatGPT more for talking to customers, studying the market, and marketing decisions. These are next slide, please. These are the references we use in our presentations. Next slide. Thank you everyone for your efforts in this assignment. Thank you, Professor Vale, for your assistance throughout the course. Thank you, team. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Geeta. Thank you, Abdul.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Abdul.
Make smile. Keep smile.
Stop the recording and save.